Hello! Today in this video, we are dealing with an LG refrigerator showing error code EFF. This code may look confusing at first, but here comes the explanation of what it means and how to solve it. The EFF error is connected to the freezer fan. The refrigerator detects that the fan is not spinning. Without proper airflow, the freezer cannot circulate cold air evenly, which often causes frost buildup and poor cooling. In simple words, the fan is like the lungs of the freezer, moving cold air everywhere it's needed. To check this, the inner grill panel in the freezer must be removed and the fan assembly inspected. Behind that panel sits the motor and blades that keep air moving. Once the panel is off, the fan is visible. This part of the video shows how the fan is disassembled for inspection and replacement. Sometimes the blades are blocked with ice, but in many cases, the motor is worn out and needs to be replaced. At this stage, a new fan has already been installed. By pressing the door switch to simulate a closed freezer, the fan starts spinning smoothly. This confirms the problem was with the old fan, and replacing it has fixed the error. Remember, when a refrigerator gives an error like this, it doesn't always mean a big failure. Often, it's just one small part that has been working non-stop for years. And now, let's watch the professional who provided this guide.
This is John, a home appliance professional from New York, available now on the GoMaster platform. On GoMaster, you can watch John and other trusted professionals in your area and pick the local expert that's right for you before booking. The service is already available in the US, Canada, Britain, and Australia. So if you're looking for a reliable professional, simply scan the QR code on the screen or use the link in the description to get started. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to subscribe for more appliance repair videos. GoMaster. Pick your pro before hello.